You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look at how you can produce burger bread and sell. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you step by step on how to mix and bake your burger bread. No mixer is needed. You can actually use your hand to mix. Now, the recipe we are going to use our butter, our yeast, our sugar, the vanilla and milk flavor. We also have salt. We're going to also add a little pinch of salt. For this video, I decide to first of all activate the yeast by mixing it in water with sugar, and that way the yeast will start acting on the sugar, and all the yeast in it will be activated and be ready to work. And this pattern will make your dough to rise very fast. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Drop your comment, your own opinion. After activating, set it aside. And so we're going to use 600 grams of flour. First of all, we are using 500 grams to mix, and then we use the 100 grams that is remaining to knead. That way we have a good consistency. Now, there are so many places you can actually supply your burger bread. You can supply in restaurants. You can also supply in superstores. You can take it to the market and sell. You can actually hawk around your street. You can supply to retail stores and they make good money. And now you mix the recipe with the dry flour, and you can see what comes out until all the butter and everything is well mixed. After that, you can either turn it to the sugar and the water, the yeast that you have mixed, or you can turn the water into the dry ingredients, and you are good to go. Whichever way you decide to do it, it will work perfectly for you. Now, if you want more training on bread production, you can contact my number and I'll be excited to give you the best. I'm going to give you the best training that you need and support you, and even give you different types of bread that you need to augment this type of bread. That way you will have your customers. Starting small, you will make even better profit compared to those that are actually producing the butter bread, the sugar bread, and whatever bread type of bread. Most of those bread, by the time you finish production, there is nothing left for you as profit. But if you start small, you know the tips, you know how to maneuver your way, I tell you, you will come up with a very strategic pattern of producing your bread and sell it in a way that you will make profit. And feel free to contact me and ask your questions. I'll be very glad to answer you. Now, in kneading your dough, you have to be patient, and you have to knead it until it's no longer all that sticky. When you are kneading or mixing, make sure that your work surface is very clean, because you are going to do a lot of kneading on the work surface. So make sure your work surface is very clean, your hands are clean. If you oil your dough and put it in the bowl, allow it to rest. The oil will help the dough not to stick to the pan or to the plate. Put it in a bowl and allow it to rest for at least 10 minutes so that it will increase in size. That way, it will help you to knead properly and increase the smoothness and make the dough to relax for molding and baking. So it's very important for you to allow the dough to rest, because you are not using a spiral mixer that will actually do the work. So when you allow it to rest, more air will be incorporated in the dough by the yeast. And so when you press it down, you mold it again, it will give you a better quality. You have to cut and weigh 100 grams so that each loaf will be, each mold will be 100 grams, and you mold it round, smooth, and you arrange it. Just arrange it in a way that when the dough rises, it will attach to each other. Now, When you mold, you allow it to rise a little before you egg wash, so that as soon as you egg wash, you push it into the oven, and you have your result. Always observe the changes in color, and bake at the right temperature, which may be between 170 to 200 degrees centigrade. So you have your burger bread ready, golden brown, beautiful, soft, and yummy. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Drop your comment, your own opinion. See you in our next video. Bye bye.